Today I'm going to use painter's caulk, and this is going to be my first time for using a caulking gun. I mean, how hard can it possibly be, right? And I'm going to put the caulk in between the trim and the ceiling, and I'm going to do that all around the living room and down into that hallway. So that's what today is about. Let's hope I don't make a mess. Okay, this goes in here and it'll push. So how do I get it started? Should I sit down for this? Should I have watched a YouTube video first? What is this supposed to do? I'm gonna go watch a YouTube video. This is what I figured out. I mean, I knew I had to pull this, but I just didn't know how. So I pressed down on this metal thing here, and I pulled what they're calling a plunger. And it worked better when I didn't have the camera on. I'll just say that right now. You have to really want it. Okay. Guess I have to make sure I'm not pushing on that. Okay? So that's one thing I learned. What's next? Okay, I should probably open this tip, I think, anyway. Alright, I cut the tip off with the utility knife that I finally bought blades for, so now I'm going to, that doesn't look right, now I'm going to see how great I am at caulking these areas. I'm just going to do that corner for now for practice, so stay tuned. Probably need it right there where there's a gap. Some places are okay, so why not leave them alone? Okay, so I'm gonna caulk through there where I see cracks and over there in the corner. I personally think it looks good. Oh, by the way, this crack, I've got a few of these that I'm going to use tape and mud with. So that's a new up-and-coming experience that, am I looking forward to it? Sure. Sure! I'm looking forward to taping and mudding. Okay, I'm done using the caulking gun for now. I've learned a few things, how to use the caulking gun. I've learned how to, as I'm using the caulk, if I need to stop for a moment, to loosen this and pull the plunger back so it doesn't keep coming out of the tube. And I've also learned how to smooth in some of the cracks as I put the caulk in there. Anyway, I think I learned something, and to me it looks good. It looks good knowing that I'm just learning this for the first time, doing this for the first time, and I think I'm making progress, and I look forward to making more progress and learning more. Okay, thanks for hanging in there with me. If you want to see more of my journey, be a part of my journey for this, getting this living room looking good with paint. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when more videos have come out. But in the meantime, thank you for watching. Bye for now.